Hey y'all, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I do want to go ahead and apologize right now. I have my vacuum going in the background. We call her Sheila. She was a gift to me from my husband several months back, and now I wouldn't live without her. So she is the shark robot vacuum that, anyway, love her. I think she's on her way to go empty herself right now. Yeah, so gives me more time to craft. But anyway, yeah, so I've got a shark vacuum. Sometimes she comes in here because it's like, she's almost like the cats. Like, what are you doing? I want to see what you're doing. So even though she's a robot, I swear sometimes she has a mind of her own. All right, I've got a couple things to unbox today. I was kind of saving them all. One of them is from Elle-ments. I have actually never shopped there before. Don't know why, because they have awesome stuff, but it's another small shop, and I've got a few things, so I want to show you what I got. We will start with this. This is the Studio Katia Halloween trimmings. I know Halloween, I know. But I had gotten, in a Studio Katia haul, I had gotten this, which is the pumpkin trimmings, spooky pumpkin trimmings, and I was like, I need a sentiment to go with that, so when I saw that Elle-ments had it, I was like, yeah, I need that. So we've got, it says Happy Halloween, Spooky, or Trick or Treat. So obviously it would go perfectly with this, but it would go great with just about any of your Halloween cards that you're going to be making. And since Halloween's around the corner, this is great. So I'll have these linked down below. And then I had to get another Studio Katia because I saw it just was way too cute. This is called the Honeybees, and I love it. So we've got Queen Bee, Be Cool, Happy Bee Day, and Buzzing by to Say, and then Be Mine. And you've got all these adorable little bees. You got several hearts. I love that. Look, it's like a little flower that's a drink. So you're drinking the nectar. How cute. So you could be sharing. And then you've got sunglasses, like a crown. You got a harpoon. Oh my gosh, a harp. Wow, where is my mind? And then we also have, I didn't see that one over here, a flower. And it looks like this. I don't know what that could be, but it's cute. Like your little drink or something spilling. I don't know. Because I don't know. Anyway, but I do like that a lot. Very cute. So there's that. And then I did get the matching dies to go with it. So we've got that. And then, so you saw I had some HAI supply stuff from before. So you can get it directly from them, but you can also get them in some of the stores. I got these clear saucers because these are just amazing for, you know, anything. So I've got this, which I love, love, love. Ugh. And then we also have a couple others that I got. We got this one, which is the Diamond Clear Jewels. Love those too. Go great on any project as well. And then, I don't know what it is with the clay. Colorful fruits. So check it out. You've got bananas. You've got like, I don't know, is that kiwi? Watermelon, pear, apple, strawberry, lime, grapefruit, cherries. It's just an array of adorable little fruit. So isn't that cute? It can go in all kinds of stuff. So yeah, colorful fruits. All right, so those all came from Elle-ments. But yeah, I will link that down below. Everything that I'm showing you, I will link down below. So there are those. Then I also got a Scrapbook Pal package, and this one was because they had their Avery Elle on crazy sale, and I just wanted to get in on it. So, first of all, thanks to Carrie Rhodes. Love that gal. Love, love, love her, and I love her channel, so I will link her down below. But she does so much with the Peekaboo Pals, and this one's the Peekaboo Summer Pals, because it's summer. And I just loved the shark and the dolphin, and I mean, I loved them all, and I thought they were fabulous. So this one's great because it's got Wishing You Sunshiny Days, Make a Splash, Sending Sunshine, and Hello. And then we even have an inner tube. So you've got a crab, a seahorse, like a toucan, a dolphin, a flamingo, and a shark. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, right? And then I got the matching dies to go with it because they already have a good sale on all these things anyway, but then they had like a coupon code so you can get even more off. So they typically have these for cheaper than they normally sell for, but when you add the coupon, I couldn't resist. So on top of that, because of the Peekaboo Pals, I got this is the Avery Elle Farmers or Market Stand, which Carrie's done a bunch with this, and I just couldn't resist it because I love it. So you could have tiki bar, lemonade, advice, free hugs, kissing booth, and then we got let's celebrate, I'm here for you, love you, open, farmer's market. And then it's got all these cute little things to go around it. So you can put your little Peekaboo Pal inside of there, and then you've got your little embellishments to go around it. And of course, the matching die, because that one wouldn't be fun to fussy cut. And then last but not least, I did get the Peekaboo car, which she just had a video on the Scrapbook Pal YouTube channel, so head there and check that out. But yeah, sound the alarm, it's your birthday, and it's a car, so you can put your little pals inside of it. How awesome is that? And the matching die. Of course. So those were from Scrapbook Pal. And I'll have those links down below too. And then, because I'm a sucker, if you have been watching any of my slimline, I have been obsessed with making slimline envelopes, and Tonic had their specialty papers on sale again. So I got a ton of them. So this isn't all of them. This one is the Iced Petals. And they're specialty papers if you've never had them before. Just, oh, I can't even describe them. So they're not like heavyweight. I'm trying to see if I have an envelope made. I do. This one will be in a future video, I think. But so here's an envelope that I made. So they're, I mean, it's not like super heavy duty by any means, but check that out. It's beautiful. Like, that is a beautiful envelope. And if you had a sturdy card in there, you wouldn't have to worry about it like getting destroyed. It's you know, thick, but it's not, it's pliable. So I love their paper. So they're specialty paper. So we've got the Iced Petals, and we have the Falling Glitter. And some of these I might actually have repeats of. I don't think I do. Then we have Pink Champagne, because I needed more pink. And then Mermaid's Tail. Yes, Mermaid's Tail. It's summer. And then also Warm Dahlia. So there's that. And then I also got more. So there was like, you know, when they do their weekend sales, they do their weekend sales. And so I got more. So here is the specialty paper Golden Scales. Then we had some pearlescent card. So this one was like a gold, I think a gold mix. So then we have the Majestic Gold. So that's like a shimmer paper. This pearlescent card. Then we have Golden Glacier. This is luxury embossed card, and that's beautiful. I'm just thinking of the gorgeous envelopes you'll get out of this. I probably wouldn't do this one in an envelope, but it's gold dust. So that's really cool. And then we have Golden Leaves, which it's leaves, and that is their embossed card again. And then we had Brown Craft card, which is foiled. I thought that was beautiful. I don't know if I'd make an envelope out of this one. You could, but you definitely want to make sure that you have a sticker outside for any of these, really, because, I mean, you could either use a Sharpie on some of these or use one of those envelope stickers and just make sure that it's not going anywhere. Maybe use an adhesive to stick it down with. And then they did have some classic card in that kit, which was Cream, which has a weaved texture, and then we also had Champagne. So those are the classic card. But I'll have all these things linked down below. I just wanted to share a haul with you. As I am posting this, my son's in town right now, so I am just enjoying that time. So what you're getting are some pre-recorded stuff, and I'll be in and out checking comments and things like that. But yeah, right now I am enjoying the time with my kids, and we're probably camping somewhere close to home just so that we can camp and be together and do all that. But yeah, I'll have everything linked down below that I got. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And as always, I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.